When was the last time you grabbed your pen to draw something? Not because you had to, not because it was for work or school, just because you wanted to. Take a moment and really think about it. For some people, it was yesterday. For others, it was years ago. And for some, it's been so long that the memory feels distant, almost like it belonged to someone else. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with you for that. When we were children, drawing felt easy, natural. We didn't worry about whether it looked good. We didn't stop ourselves halfway and think, this is wrong. A few simple lines were enough to tell a story. A small shape could become anything we imagined. We drew freely, without fear. That freedom didn't disappear. It's still inside you, just quieter now. And then, slowly, life happened. We grew older. We got busier. Responsibilities took over. And without even realizing it, many of us stopped drawing. Not because we wanted to, but because we started believing we weren't good enough. You were never not good enough. You were just learning how to survive. Somewhere along the way, we told ourselves things like, I'm not artistic. I don't have time. Drawing is for talented people, not me. But those were only thoughts. They were never the truth. The truth is you're allowed to create exactly as you are. So the pen stayed on the table. The notebook stayed closed. And creativity waited quietly. Not impatient, not upset, just waiting. If you're watching this right now, that means something. It means a part of you still wants to create. That part of you is still alive, still curious, still hopeful, even if you forgot. Before we go any further, just pause for a moment. Take a slow breath in and gently let it out. You're doing fine. Right here, right now. There's no rush here. No expectations. This moment is only for you. You don't have to prove anything. Drawing isn't about making something perfect. It's not about impressing anyone. It's not about being good. It's about letting your hand move, letting your mind slow down, letting yourself exist without pressure. You are allowed to move slowly. You are allowed to take space. You don't need special tools. You don't need talent. If you can draw a line, that's enough. And you are enough even before the line appears. A line can turn into a curve. A curve can turn into a pattern. And before you know it, the page begins to fill on its own. There is no right way to do this. There is no wrong way either. You don't need permission. You already have it. If your lines are shaky, that's okay. If they're uneven, that's okay too. Those small imperfections are what make it real. They're proof that a human hand is creating something moment by moment. And that is more than enough. Sometimes drawing feels calming. Other times it feels emotional. And sometimes it just feels quiet. All of it is welcome here. You don't have to understand what you're feeling. You don't have to explain it. You can simply let it flow onto the page. Your feelings are allowed to exist. Think of this as a safe space. A place where you don't need to perform. A place where nothing is being judged. A place where it's okay to slow down. You're safe to be yourself here. Even a few minutes of drawing can change how you feel. Not because the drawing is special, but because you chose yourself for a moment. And that choice matters. There may be days when life feels heavy, days when your mind feels full, days when you don't know what to do with your thoughts. On those days, drawing doesn't fix everything, but it helps. It gives your emotions somewhere to go. It turns restlessness into movement. It turns silence into expression. And that is a kind of strength. And the best part is you can always come back to it. You are never too late. It doesn't matter how long it's been. Days, months, years, you're allowed to begin again. As many times as you need. The page doesn't remember how long you were gone. The pen doesn't ask questions. It welcomes you every time. So if you have a pen nearby, pick it up. If you have a piece of paper, place it in front of you. You deserve this moment. Start with a dot, then another. Let your hand decide what comes next. Trust it. It knows more than you think. You don't need a plan. You don't need an end goal. Just stay with the movement. Stay with the moment. You're doing this exactly right. As you keep drawing, remember this, you are not late. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are learning. You are expressing. You are here. And that is enough.